If I lost everything today, here's exactly what I'd do in 2025 to rebuild my fortune from zero. This is a battle plan designed from the hard-won tactics used by self-made millionaires and billionaires. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide on how to build new wealth from nothing that you can immediately act on. Stay tuned for step 5 because that's where the secret multiplier hides, and it's the game changer. 1. Emergency mindset reset. First, you must conquer your mind. Losing everything feels like a gut punch to the ego. Yet every titan, from Richard Branson starting a student magazine to Sarah Blakely mortgaging her home, has stared down bankruptcy and climbed back. Their secret? They refuse to stay victims, they become warriors. Here's your day 1 ritual. A 30-minute cold shower and journaling marathon. Step under icy water for 60 seconds. The shock floods your nervous system with clarity and resolve. Then, towel off and open a blank doc or notebook. Write down 3 anchors you still control. 1. Focus, your power to choose where your attention goes. 2. Attitude, your choice to see opportunity, not defeat. 3. Actions, the next step you will take, no matter how small. Next, define your non-negotiables, the habits you refuse to drop, come rain or shine. Maybe it's, I will journal 5 minutes daily, or I will pitch 1 client every morning. These non-negotiables become your creed. This mental reset anchors your perspective. You're not starting from nothing. Instead, you're starting from awareness. 2. Resource audit and scrap metal mining. You might have $0, but you're rich in resources. A smartphone, Wi-Fi, skills, time, and connections. Hustlers call step 2 scrap metal mining. You're going to harvest every usable asset, audit everything. Then liquidate what you don't need. Cancel unused subscriptions, sell old tech on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Offer services like tutoring or yard work on community boards. Even redeem gift cards you never used. Each dollar you scrape together becomes fuel for step 3. Focus on freelance non-negotiables. Pinpoint 1 marketable skill. Are you a decent writer? A budding coder? A graphic design hobbyist? Pick your platform. Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com, each has millions of clients seeking quick gigs. 1. Optimize your profile. Use a clear headline like, I'll build your Shopify landing page in 24 hours. Showcase past work or personal side projects. 2. Price aggressively for your first 5 to 10 gigs. Undercut competition just enough to land the job, but not so low you burn out. 3. Over-deliver. Exceed expectations, ask for video testimonials, and request referrals. Within 2 weeks, you can be pulling in $500 to $1,500 per week, enough to cover rent, food, and reinvest in step 4. The key is relentless execution. 5 proposals per day, 5 client follow-ups per afternoon, and continuous profile optimization. 4. Launch a micro business. Freelancing pays the bills, but your leverage comes from scalability. That's where a micro business steps in. Low startup cost, high profit margins, and digital distribution. Pick one model that aligns with your skills. Digital course/ebook. Package your expertise into a step-by-step guide. E-commerce. Source niche products and sell via Shopify or Amazon. Print on demand. Create designs. Let a third party fulfill orders with no inventory risk. Local service brand. Turn your freelance skills into a branded agency. Imagine you sell a $49 mini course on freelance copywriting secrets. If you convert 50 out of 500 visitors in the first week, that's $2,450 in revenue with near zero additional cost. By month 2, with tweaks and reinvested ad spend, you could be clearing $5,000 in monthly. 5. Automate and leverage small systems. Here's the secret multiplier: automation. Elon Musk didn't hand-assemble rockets, he built factories and systems. Likewise, you need simple automations to transform your microbusiness into a semi-passive revenue engine. 1. Lead magnet. Offer a free cheat sheet or mini guide in exchange for an email. 2. Email sequence. Craft 3 automated emails. Deliver value, handle objections, then a pitch. 3. Sales page. A single-page site with a clear headline, bullet points of benefits, social proof, and a strong call to action. 4. Upsell. Immediately after purchase, offer a complimentary higher ticket item or a coaching call. Tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaign let you build these funnels in hours. Now, even while you sleep, your funnel captures leads and makes sales. With consistent traffic, organic or paid, you're turning $49 products into thousands monthly on autopilot. If you want to own these steps, save this video now. You'll need this blueprint every time you hit a setback and have to rebuild. 6. Reinvest and diversify. As revenue rises, don't get seduced by instant gratification. Direct 50% back into your business for ads, new products, and better tools. Allocate 20% to education, online courses, books, mentors. Funnel 20% into a high-yield savings or emergency fund. The last 10% covers living expenses and a small reward for your grind. Simultaneously, start investing any leftover dollars into low-cost index funds or fractional shares via platforms like Robinhood or M1 Finance. Naval Ravikant says, own as much of yourself as possible. That means your own ventures plus diversified market exposure for a dual-engine wealth strategy. 7. Build networks and accountability. No one scales alone. Mark Cuban credits early connections for his first multi-million-dollar exit. So next, build your tribe. Attend local mastermind meetups, join niche Discord communities, and message potential mentors on LinkedIn with a concise offer. I'd love 15 minutes of your time to learn from your experience. This simple win, obstacle, ask structure forces clarity, invites help, and builds momentum. When 4 or 5 peers hold you to your commitments, you move faster and smarter. 8. Scale with freedom metrics. As your business grows, track freedom metrics, the revenue per hour you work. If you're earning $500 per hour, each extra hour is gold. If $50 per hour, you need to automate or hire. Use platforms like Toggle or Harvest to log your time. Hire virtual assistants. Upwork, onlinejobs.ph at $5, $10 per hour to offload admin tasks. Email sorting, appointment scheduling, data entry. This frees you to focus on high-leverage activities like product development, strategic partnerships, high-ticket sales calls. 9. Future-proof and continuous learning. The world of 2025 demands relentless adaptation. Put 5 hours per week on your calendar for learning emerging trends. AI tools, blockchain, new social platforms, or deepening your specific expertise. As investor Chris Dixon says, thoughtful, software is eating the world, so code, no code, and automation skills will pay dividends. Read industry reports, watch masterclasses, test new apps. Investing in yourself provides returns that no market crash can erase. 10. Give back and leverage karma. Finally, start sowing seeds of generosity. Billionaires Bill Gates and Warren Buffett pledge to give 99% of their wealth away, but you can begin small. Mentor someone just starting, donate a portion of profits to a local cause, or share free resources online. Generosity builds goodwill, referrals, and positive karma, opening doors you can't buy. Every thank you you earn compounds in the future opportunities. There you have it, my step-by-step blueprint to build wealth from absolute zero in 2025. From resetting your mindset and mining resources to automating funnels and scaling with freedom metrics, each step compounds into real momentum. Do you want more habits that amplify your gains? Check out our video, 10 Billionaire Habits That Changed My Life, for daily rituals that drive the world's richest.